Welcome. Today I wanted to talk a little bit to the adults in the room, but if you're a kid, feel free to listen in. And I just wanted to go over how to use the picture alphabet to teach your child CVC words. These are words where there's a consonant followed by a vowel followed by another consonant. So if you were going to teach your child this word, see, there's a consonant followed by a vowel followed by a consonant. You can use the picture alphabet to help them. So maybe they don't remember what sound the letter C makes. You can start drawing our picture from the picture alphabet to give them a clue. That's right, it makes the K sound, like a car driving on a curved road. If they didn't remember the sound that the A makes, you could start drawing an avalanche. And if they didn't remember the sound that the T makes, you could draw our tea party. K for car, A for avalanche, and T for tea party. K, A, T, cat. That's how you'd read the word cat. Now, what I think is really fun about the picture alphabet is it changes these CVC words into stories. Little stories, but they can be a lot of fun. So if you remember the story we talked about in a previous video, we were trying to get our friends to the tea party. They were going to drive around the curve, around a big mountain, to get to the tea party. But on the day of my tea party, there was a big avalanche in the way. And then we finished our story with this word, which is also a CVC word, a consonant, vowel, and a consonant. We had our friend, the big beautiful butterfly, fly over that avalanche to get to the tea party. B for butterfly, A for avalanche, and T for tea party. B, A, T. When your child reads a CVC word, I think it's really fun to celebrate by trying to come up with a story with the 3 pictures that are in that word. So that's what we're going to do in the next couple videos, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye, friends.